two-man team. One guy is going to do the wash ahead of the guy doing the rinsing. Or if you're just running a small crew with a cleaning place, sometimes just one guy is doing wash, then rinse, just like I'm showing you here.
Whoever's gonna rinse, I need you to watch Duane. Okay? Right, but as far as, are you gonna go all the way to the wall?
Hi, my name is Steve Miller. I happen to own a water restoration company, Fire Mold Water, actually in the state of Wisconsin. And I had an opportunity to come to this fire class, not having really an idea of all the things that I was about to learn. We were just starting to get into the fire business, and we started to do a few, and we realized that after we'd done a few that there was a little bit more knowledge involved in doing fires than just what we knew. So we decided to take this class, and I am absolutely thrilled beyond belief about how much we have learned in just 2 days. I had no idea that there was this much information that is involved in cleaning fires and buildings and so forth, and I can honestly say that this is the greatest class that I've gone to in years with these type of classes, and I'm ecstatic about going back home and getting our business up and running in the fire restoration side of it. And it was really exciting, great people, wonderful fellowship with all the different people that we met throughout the country, and it was just an awesome experience.
Hello, my name is Scott Kelly. I'm from Farmington, New Mexico. Looking through the internet and finding out recommendations from other people that Kevin and Nisha at Firehouse is great. Well, they ain't wrong. I've learned things that I've never even thought of questioning before. They're very thorough, very make it efficient. Let's put it that way. There's things inside these jobs that you can't imagine. They have already imagined them for you, and they give these to you. This is a great class to be in, and if you ever come here and you're hungry, don't worry about the food. Oh my goodness, these two feed you very, very well. I've had a great time getting to know Kevin, Anissa, and Travis. It has been a blessing to me. They're great people. I'll guarantee you that you will have a good time learning how to process and take care of structure, contents on flood and fire, and they're very, very knowledgeable of what they do.
All right. Hey, I'm Robert from Lake Arrowhead, California. This is my second class with Kevin and Anissa. This time I actually spent 5 days hands-on doing an actual fire cleanup job. So it really helps me to take what I learned in theory and also from class, from PowerPoint, to actually put it into practice and learn a lot of best practices and learn a lot of kind of tips and tricks on how to do the actual job. So it really has been helpful. And I think what I learned from here, I know fire is kind of like very detailed cleaning. I think what I learned from here can also help me with like mold jobs and also with other kind of cleanup jobs that requires very detailed cleaning. So I really enjoyed the class, and I really recommend everybody, if you're interested to learn more about fire cleanup, and learn from Kevin and Anissa.
This is Tiffany from Crown Restoration down in San Antonio, Texas. I had the pleasure of spending the week with Anissa and Kevin Coy for the Firehouse Education. And let me tell you, it was probably the best experience that I've had in the restoration industry thus far. So many nuggets. I'm the general manager at the company, and I learned from scrubbing to processes to invoicing to working with adjusters. I mean, they cover the whole gamut. I could come back 2 or 3 more times and get more information out of every single time. I think it is one of the best experiences that I've had, and I have evidential support for that. So come see Kevin and Anissa, you will not regret it. It was amazing.
I'm Greg Jackson. I'm with Insight Restoration out of Sandpoint, Idaho. I'm the general manager, and I've taken the firehouse training, content, and structural cleaning experience. I believe this is the best class I have taken in my 7 years in the industry. It's a very hands-on class. We get to not only learn the processes but perform them ourselves. The most important thing that I believe I've gotten out of this experience is how to de-stress a job and make it unintimidating for the crews. And I would certainly recommend to travel across the country to take this class.
Hi, my name is Duane Tomlin. I'm with Fast and Friendly Flood, Fire, and Mold Restoration out of Florida. And I've got some experience with floods and mold. We wanted to get into the fire restoration portion of the industry. We've studied, we've gone to the fire restoration courses, but before we actually do a full-on fire, I thought this would be a good course to go to. I was wrong. It's an excellent course. Kevin and Anissa and Travis were fantastic. We actually went out on a job site from beginning all the way to the end, including discussing issues with the homeowner related to log and destroy, keep, try to clean. So overall, the course was more than I expected. It was fantastic, and I would recommend anyone to attend if you want to get better at fire restoration, contents cleaning, and managing your customers' expectations and exceeding them.